Almost everyone uses credit cards today. But very few people truly understand how they work. Some people use them smartly and build wealth. Others fall into massive debt. So what's the difference? A credit card is basically a short-term loan from a bank. When you buy something using a credit card, you are not using your own money immediately. For example, imagine you buy a laptop worth $800 using your credit card. The store receives the money instantly from the bank. Now you owe the bank $800. If you pay the full amount before the due date, you usually pay 0 interest. That means you borrowed money temporarily for free. And this is why smart users love credit cards. But if you fail to pay the full amount, interest starts getting added. Your credit limit is the maximum amount you're allowed to spend. For example, if your limit is $2,000, you cannot spend more than that unless the bank increases your limit. Remember this carefully. A credit card is not free money. It's borrowed money. And if you misuse it, debt can grow very fast.
Today, I'll show you how credit card debt grows so fast and how smart people avoid it. The biggest danger with credit cards is interest. If your card charges 25% annual interest, your debt keeps growing every month. Let's say you spend $1,000, but instead of paying the full amount, you only pay the minimum payment. This sounds safe, but it's actually dangerous. Imagine continuing to spend while also paying interest. Very quickly, $1,000 becomes $1,500, then $2,000, and even more. Banks often allow users to pay only 2%, 5%, or a small portion of the bill. But paying only the minimum means debt stays for years, and during that time interest keeps growing. This is how banks make huge profits. Now let's discuss hidden fees. Many credit cards charge late payment fees, annual fees, foreign transaction fees, and cash withdrawal fees. Some people don't even realize these charges exist. That's why reading terms carefully is important. Another big problem is emotional spending. People spend more when using cards because they don't physically see cash leaving their hands. Smart users treat credit cards like debit cards. They spend only what they can fully repay. A good credit score can help you get loans easier, buy a car, rent apartments, and get lower interest rates. Here's how to improve this score. Pay bills on time, keep balances low, avoid missing payments. Many cards offer cashback, travel points, airline miles, and shopping rewards. If your card gives 2% cashback and you spend $500, you get $10 back. Over years, rewards add up. But remember, rewards only matter if you pay your balance fully. Otherwise, interest destroys all benefits. Another powerful benefit is purchase protection, which makes online shopping safer. Some cards provide fraud protection, extended warranty, and refund assistance. Rich people often use credit cards strategically, understanding leverage, rewards, and financial systems. Used wisely, credit cards become powerful financial tools. Used carelessly, they become debt machines. In the final part, we'll cover smart credit card habits, beginner mistakes, and safe usage. Now that you understand how credit cards work, let's talk about the smartest rules every beginner should follow. Rule 1. Always pay full balance. This avoids interest completely. Rule 2. Never miss payment dates. Set reminders or automatic payments. Rule 3. Keep credit utilization low. Stay below 30% of your limit. Rule 4. Avoid impulse spending. Small purchases can lead to huge debt. Rule 5. Don't treat rewards like free money. They are bonuses, not spending excuses. Rule 6. Monitor your statements for fraud, wrong charges, and hidden fees.
Beginners should start with one card, low spending, and simple budgeting. Master discipline first, then expand slowly. Financial freedom is built through habits, not income alone. A person earning less with discipline often performs better financially than someone earning more without control. Credit cards can either build wealth or create debt. The difference depends on how you use them. Use them responsibly. Pay full balance, avoid unnecessary spending, build good credit habits, and stay financially disciplined. If this series helped you understand credit cards better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the biggest credit card mistake people make?